get odd orders on Fiverr as a beginner. So before we get started guys, please hit the subscribe button, like the video and comment below. Okay? So in order to show you guys how to get orders as a beginner, I'll be showing you guys from our buyer's perspective. Okay? So let's say you go on Fiverr and you're looking for a service, right? Let's say you're looking for whiteboard animations. If you're looking for whiteboard animation guys, you will see over 2,435 services come up that's available. That's over 2,435 persons that's selling whiteboard videos. Okay guys, so in order to get orders as a beginner, it's one simple secret guys. All you have to do is remain online. Now as you can see here, this person has over 1,000 reviews. This person has over 1,000 reviews. Go straight down. These persons aren't online right now, so how would you compete with these persons that has over 1,000 reviews if you have no reviews at all? Because remember guys, you're a beginner. So the way that you will be competing with these guys now is to remain online. And once you're online guys, you will see this little green circle appear above your seller's profile name. Okay, so let's say I am looking for, or the buyer is looking for, a whiteboard animation video. He wants it to be done quickly. He wants, once he messages the seller, he wants the seller to reply on time and stuff like that. So the way you go about that guys, or the way the buyers would go about that, in order for you as the brand new seller to get orders, the buyers would normally click on this online sellers. And I want you to look exactly what happens when I click on online sellers. So as you see here now guys, I clicked on online sellers and the algorithm changes. As you can see, 216 services available, so it drops dramatically from 2,400 and something services to 200 and something services guys. So imagine if your profile is constantly online, which means you can get some of these orders. Okay, because majority of the buyers that come on Fiverr comes to looks for the services here and then clicks on online sellers. So look at this person. This person is a level 1 seller. He has only 3 reviews guys, only 3 reviews, and he's at the top of the page. He's in front this big one that has over 1,000 reviews. Remember guys, the longer you stay online on Fiverr, the better your chances of getting orders. Okay, let's go down some more, see if we can find a new seller here. Alright, look at this. This person is a new seller. I will create a whiteboard animation video for $10. She has only 9 reviews guys, and she's a new seller, and she's on the front page. This person is also a new seller. I will create a mind-blowing whiteboard animation or explainer video. This person has 13 reviews guys. Now we are all humans guys, so we can't remain online 24/7. Some of us have to go out because maybe we have a regular job doing, and this is only part-time, so we can't be around the computer 24/7. So what I want to do now guys is show you guys a tool that can make you guys stay online indefinitely, which means you will always be online as long as you leave on your computer, or even if you're on your phone guys. It's a very simple tool that I want to show you. So in order to do this, all you have to do, I'll open a new tab here and I'll leave the link below the video guys. The link for this tool will be below the YouTube video. Just scroll down and you can find the link there. So this tool is called Super Auto Refresh Plus. Okay guys, I'll go ahead and add it right now. Add extension. So what this does guys, it constantly refreshes a page for you. So once it refreshes that page, it keeps refreshing. You can set the refresh time like per minute, per second. anything you want to set it at. So let me go back to Fiverr here. Now it's installed. Alright guys, I want you to look at exactly what I do here. So once you have it installed, you go on ahead and click on it, and you can choose the refresh rate that you want. You can choose 2 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds. So which means if I choose 2 seconds, the page will refresh every 2 seconds. So let me just show you. Let me go back on my dashboard here. As you can see as well, I have over $700 worth of order. It says 54 days late guys and 34 days late because I have not been able to do these orders because of the whole corona. I have been sick guys, but I have over $775 worth of order right now. So back to what I was saying. Once you click on this guys, if I click on 2-second refresh, just look at what happens. The page refreshes every 2 seconds. Do you see that? Wonderful. So it's refreshing right now. If I click on 10 seconds guys, I want you to look what happens again. As you can see, the countdown timer is right here, and the page will constantly refresh every sec. It depends on the seconds, the minutes, or whatever you set guys. So what this does is help you to stay online indefinitely so you can get more orders. Okay, and just to show you that I know what I'm talking about, I only started this profile recently, and I'm just going to show you my earnings so far on it. Here you go guys, my earnings has been $1,881 for my lifetime of being on Fiverr with this new account. Expected earnings I have right now, these are the orders that I haven't done yet, is $620. So from the 700 something dollars that I have worth of orders, I will only get 620 out of that guys, because Fiverr takes their commission from the work that I do as well. So as you can see, I know exactly what I'm saying to you guys. I know how to get the orders guys. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be well on your way with no problems. Okay guys? Also, another way that you can remain online is to download the Fiverr app on your phone guys. It is very helpful, very useful. It helps you to get the notifications as they come in, so you never miss an order guys. Okay, remember that. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to subscribe, like the video, comment below, and I'll be uploading some more videos with tricks of how to get more orders on your gigs, how to rank your gigs on first page, and stuff like that. Comment below, subscribe, and like the video guys.